Righto, well welcome back to another episode. As you can see, we're on an absolute mission. Boat's out behind me, swag's over here, Court's just cooking up a feed. We've come hundreds of kilometers north, chasing the better fish, the better weather. I'm not gonna bore you guys with loading the boat, getting down to the ramp. Don't forget the bungs. Launching, punching along. I'm just gonna get straight into videos of our reels absolutely screaming today. We'll see you along the way. Let's go! Woo! Go, babe! Go, babe! Oh, look at the size of that for a Jewie. Got eaten by the sharks. Look at the size of that thing. Righto, so we just punched wide. I've just come up on a mark I know has big trout, big finger mark, and big tuskies. There they are. Fish down deep, fish up high, so there's probably a few trevally, maybe a few golden snapper, hopefully. I'm just gonna come over my one big tusky rock. If there's anything sitting on that, we're dropping. Oh, babe.
Move that rod, babe.
Go. Shark. Oh, I'm missing it. No, it won't be a shark. It'll be a big trevally, I'd say. What is he?
I can't see anything yet.
It's biting like a trevally.
Ah,
Big trevor.
catfish.
Catfish King strikes again. Look at the size of that fat thing. What have you done? I just got shark. Yep. I think I got shooting. Yep. Oh, I got a nanny that got shark. Poor little nanny got chewed and I got it back. Go, babe. Get him up fast.
Nanny!
Decent size. Oh, that's good. Start. Little nanny, let him go. Oh, that's big.
Get him.
That's real big. That's really big. Oh. Shark. Alrighty, well we've just done a few drops. We've got a couple of little nannies up and I've got some bigger fish on, and I know that they're either nannies or big tuskies because we've caught them here before. The sounder is absolutely blowing up, but we just can't beat the sharks. So what we're gonna do, the guys over at RepelX have sent us across a shark deterrent. We've not used this thing before, we're not sure how it's gonna go, but we're about to drop it down and see what sort of damage it's gonna do on the Cape York sharks. So we'll get this big bad boy out. Righto, so that's us, that's all it is. Gonna hook this end up to our rig, have our dropper sit down in the middle. Courtney's gonna try and beat the sharks behind me. Here he comes, little nanny. Good nanny. Good work, babe. How good's that? So we can beat them. We can beat them. Look at the sounder butt. This is the sounder right now. 20 meters and we've got fish all the way up to under the bottom of the boat. Sounder is blowing up. I'm gonna get this rig down and see if I can't get a couple of those bigger fellas. Righty, so we got the RepelX. Just got it on this top rig, clipped up. My bait's probably hanging just a tad lower than I need it. It probably should be just bang in the middle because that's what's gonna stop the shark from coming in. So when the shark comes in to hit the fish, this creates a big loop, like a force field around the fish. I'm gonna keep it there for now. We're gonna give it a drop and see how we go.
Get him.
Oh wow, that's big.
Come on.
Hopefully it's not a big shark.
Coming up like Caribbean. Don't be a catfish, don't be a catfish. Don't be a catfish. Get up, get up, get up. Get up here. Oh, there's sharks on him. There's sharks on him. Big catfish.
Oh, and I'm the catfish king.
Well, it worked. The shark didn't get it, but sharks don't eat catfish, so... Oh, that was a workout. Nice, Nanny. Yeah. Another little pan-sized fella.
Oh, come undone, babe. You're bloody knots. Wiley doesn't know how to tie knots.
It's got to be the leader. It has to be, because that was... I literally just done that and made sure that it was done fucking properly.
No!
Bloody dad.
Will you try it?
That's how you rig up a line.
5 minutes later.
May not come undone.
Oh! Whose nuts are they that come undone?
Wiley did that one again.
Alrighty, everyone's been raving about these nomad squid tracks. Thought it was about time we brought one out in the Gulf country and give it a go. Sound is still blowing up. See how we go. The bait's gone a little bit quiet. I sent that Repel-X down. I did get a few little fish, but nothing big. So I'm gonna try the squid tracks and see if we can change things up a little bit. Pretty sure that's a shark.
Yeah, well, you keep him over there.
I turned the Repel-X off and put the squid tracks on.
Oh no!
What? What, Mum? What?
This was a little fish that turned into a
What, Mum?
much bigger.
I can't see it yet. I can't see it. Come on.
Can you see that?
Mine or yours? Oh yeah, big shark. Big Shark. Really big shark.
Just give me my Squid Rex back.
I'm not on the rock.
Well, that must be a big shark. Are you calling? Problem solved. I'm swimming.
I think I just got your fish back.
No.
Did. I did just get your fish back.
Oh God.
What are you doing?
That's how you get a Squid Rex back from a shark. We've just punched about an hour and a half north. Courtney's just about to make up some lunch. I'm gonna have a quick drop. There's a few fish down there and see how we go. I'm gonna start with the Squid Rex on this spot. Then if we find a few sharks, I might pull the Repel X out and just see just what it can do. There goes the first Nomad Squid Rex. I think a little shark mackie might have bit me off. How good's that look? Oh, what is that thing? Oh, that's a big goldie or what?
Stop it.
That is. Look at the size of it. Oh, it's a big nanagai. It's a big smallmouth nanagai. That's the biggest smallie I've ever seen. Are you kidding? Hold him up. What? No way. So we've just been trawling around a little patch of rubble we found. I actually thought they were mackies hanging up real high in the water column. We had 2 hits, but neither of them hooked up. We were just about to pack up and head off. We had one of the reels sing, got it in. It was an absolute horse of a largemouth nanagai. It's gonna have one more little troll. That westerly has already come in. We've still got about an hour's run to our camp for tonight. So we're just gonna do a quick little troll over this ground one more time. And then we've got to start steamboating it. Oh, there are nannies on the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. I'll show you the sounder. So this is what we're trawling for. You can see the larger fish down low, big fish up high. One last go.
I got the first hit. Then.
Oh, look at the size of that for a Jewy. Got eaten by the sharks.
Oh my goodness.
That would have been 1.2 easy. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that. Shark got him. Certainly knew I had him on.
That is massive. Oh, that's on.
Oh, look at him. and keeps going blurry. Yeah.
There he is, look. Oh, well, how's that? First drop on this new little spot. On the big Hunter bait soft plastic, I literally didn't even jig it off the bottom. It must have just landed straight on his head. One bite, took it in half. Only had a little 6-0 hook on it too. Just devoured it. I fought him for a little bit, but unfortunately me and Cork got hung up. She had a trevally on, I think he swam around the line. I had that dewy on my little rod too, little tuna rod. I was only mucking around with the soft plastic. I thought I got rocked and I was sort of pulling it. Eventually it come, and it must have been in the shark's mouth. He just bit his whole tail off. But the Hunter bait, soft plastic, did the damage. There's still big fish down there too. We might have one more drop on them, I reckon.
You go first, you get shot.
Alrighty, we just had a few dramas with the GoPros. Unfortunately, one of our batteries had imploded inside the GoPro, so took a bit of mucking around to get that. But while I was doing that, Courtney went and caught herself 2 nice big blueies. So there's a few around, but there's some bloody sharks down there that keep hitting us too. There's some good fish just showing on the sounder now. We might both just have a quick drop and we might move. We're literally sitting in the mouth of the river that we're going to be camped up in tonight. The westerly's pushing through. We'll have a quick drop, see how we go, and then we might push in and start setting up camp. It's about 3 o'clock now. Bloody good day, but oh yes, babe. Oh yes. Big catfish. Come on, big catfish. Big catfish. Come on, not a catfish. Not a catfish. Ooh, don't look catfish. It is. It is. Yes. Oh, that's dinner. Oh, perfect pan size. Good work. Beautiful little black spot. Look at the colors on him. Oh well, we made it. We've set up camp. We're on a little remote beach in far, far North Queensland on the west coast of Cape York. 2 little grommets, the boat. Fishing wasn't too bad this Sarvi. We did get a bit pumped by the wind, but Court still managed a couple of blueies. We're just gonna kick back, have a feed. We're gonna cook up some of that tusky that Court actually just caught, so as fresh as it gets. We brought no meat with us. We did bring salad and chips and all that for the grommets, but we're living off the land.
The sea.
From the sea. We really don't have much of a plan. We could be here for 2 days, could be here for 5 days. They reckon 2 days. We'll see how we go. Tomorrow, we're gonna boost out back into that blue. It's gonna be glass in the morning, so we're gonna get out there early, try and get a few good fish on the board. Then we'll poke back in tomorrow, RV, and we might do a bit of beach combing. But this is it. This is as good as it gets. A little bit of a storm over there. Hopefully that stays away. It's gonna be painful if it doesn't. I don't think we've been camping that it hasn't rained on us yet, so